Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, recently, just a few days ago, we did a video featuring the Hot Logic and one of my microwavable egg cookers. The clear plastic egg cooker was clearly the winner if this was a competition. And I was so impressed, I decided to go ahead and do a part 2. I mentioned in part 1 that I wanted to take some baby spinach, maybe some onions, pico de gallo, cheese, whatever, and we're gonna go ahead and toss that in with this perfectly shaped egg and see if we can make the perfect egg omelet, or what is that thing that comes in the pack? It's round with all the lead. I'll put the name up here in the description somewhere. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this video started. Should be a quick one, down and dirty, and we're gonna see what the results are. Family, stay tuned. All right, family, we already got the Hot Logic fired up. It's been on for a few minutes now. And meet the newest ride along in the old Jeep. This will be a permanent. I have my 2 frying pans right here, my 2 plates. This will be its permanent home from now on, unless we get the double, and it will be in here somewhere, perhaps. All right, family. Should we lubricate this slightly? Why, yes, that's what she said. Alrighty, let's go ahead and see. Let's drop the spinach in first. Just a little bit of spinach. Tear that up so it's not so bulky. Do a little bit more. All right, fam, about that much spinach. Let's see, let's do the onions. And this is one of those, what they call it, seasoning mix. Have the onions, bell pepper, all that kind of stuff in it. Let's go ahead and drop just a little bit of that in. Boom. Next, eggs in the hard case. We don't want another incident, if you will. Of course, this time the egg's not going to be perfectly round. Maybe I should have put it in first. Nah. You know what? Let's be adventurous. 2 eggs. Last but not least, yeah, baby, pepper jack cheese. All right, fam. Let's go ahead and close that down. You know, not too fast, Rosie. That's what she said. Get out a little salt and pepper. All right, fam. Let's go ahead and close that up. We're gonna let that harden up a little bit. We just spent the last hour or so fishing. And right now, the fishing sucks. The water's dirty, it's cold, it's just not good fishing condition. We gotta wait for the water to warm back up. So I spent an hour out here, I caught one lonely little fish. So we're gonna go ahead and get all our stuff put back in the Jeep, fishing rods, cooler, the whole 9 yards. Hopefully by that time, this is set up enough that we can get mobile. We gotta run a few errands, we're gonna head home. Lady Red and I are going to the movies this afternoon to see this new movie. I think his name Jason Stamos, and we're going to see The Beekeeper. So all right, family, we're gonna get us 10 or 15 minutes to get set up. We'll hit the road. In about an hour and a half, we'll bring this to a stop. We'll check, see if it's fully cooked, if we did enough seasoning, if the cheese is melted, the whole 9 yards, and see if this comes out as good as the previous version with just the egg. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, I almost forgot the most important part. Bacon bits. Perfect. Now, I'll see y'all in an hour and a half. Well, for me, it'll be an hour and a half. For y'all, a few seconds. All right, family, check it out. I got Lady Red. We're on date night.
Why does he have me on this camera without asking me?
I don't have to ask you. You're my wife. I own you.
I think that if you're going to put somebody on camera, they should be prepared.
If they're
to be
a stranger,
on the camera.
you got dressed before we left home, which means you're prepared, because normally you're not dressed.
I still feel some kind of way, y'all. Okay.
You feel violated?
I do.
Oh, girl. I like it when you talk dirty.
This is talking piss. Okay.
You ain't pissed.
I'm close.
Anyway, we ain't close to pissed. I'm finna take you to the movies.
We're going to the movies, guys. He never takes me on a date. He's too busy making videos for
No,
y'all. He's
I would
taking
make-
me to the movies.
Hey,
Let me just have a little gratitude.
If this was a popcorn
Because your girl
channel,
never gets to go
if this was a
anywhere.
popcorn channel, I'd take you to the we'd be doing movies
Your
at the
girl
popcorn.
never gets to go anywhere.
Whatever.
So I'm on my way to the movies, y'all.
If you learn how to fish, you go every day.
And that's true. It's very sad, but it's very true.
Hey, I'm here for you, people. All right, family. We're headed to movies, and I want to finish up my egg video. Well, we got to finish up the video. I got an egg back there cooking with ingredients and extras and all of that stuff. So we need to finish the video, or I just got a wasted egg I can't eat. All right, family, let's go check out the video. Say bye, Grouch.
Bye.
Whatever. What's up? Hey, you live in there? Oh, I follow all that on YouTube because I can live out of this as well. I love it. I know, right? I heard that. Yes, indeed. Well, enjoy. Enjoy. All right. Nice. We just met an overlander, y'all. What do you think, Tony? See, we just met an overlander. Yep. He said he ain't got to have no weed eaters, no nothing. All right. Hey, check this out. All right, fam. I'm gonna let Lady Red come check it out. Come look at it. This is beautiful.
All of this is the price I gotta pay
To go to the movie. If you want to go to the movie with me, there's a price. Come back here and pay.
I know they feel sorry for me.
No, they don't, because you with me. They're probably envious. They get to have fun every day. Check that out.
That looks so delicious.
That's bacon,
Bacon,
egg,
egg.
baby spinach, and there's some onion and what is that seasoned blend I use? All that's in there.
It does look pretty tasty.
Salt and pepper. I know that looks good. All right, fam. I'm gonna take one bite. The reason I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, we're going to the movies and we're gonna eat while we're there. You wanna hold that while
Of course. Now I've got to hold the camera.
Why are you trying to talk like you
I'm
you're
just
nice?
saying. I'm just saying.
Why are you trying to talk like you're nice?
I'm always doing stuff for him. And he never ever appreciates me.
Check that out.
You can't get it out, y'all. Let me get closer.
Check that out.
That's it.
Time for a bite.
All right, y'all.
All right. Tanya,
Rosie.
I did that.
Here we go.
I
He
did
always
that.
talking about he did.
Come on, y'all.
something.
Look, Tanya. Look. Fully cooked. Seasoned. The bacon juice done drip down in there.
Let me take a bite of this, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'll tell y'all
Now,
the truth.
here comes the real test.
A
From a
frog always
hater.
praises his own pond.
Who told you that? Who taught you that?
My mother-in-law.
My mama.
All right, y'all. Here's my bite. I'll show you.
Come on, be real.
I'm not a spinach lover, but it is very good.
That is flavorful, y'all. And I am not lying. And Lady Red would not lie. Oh, she going in for a sucker.
I'm not eating none of the spinach, though.
You don't have to.
I don't like spinach. Super.
All right, fam, that was fun. We had a bit of fun. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring this video in for a landing, and Lady Red and I are going and enjoy a movie.
Roselle, show them the movie theater.
And
They probably don't believe it because you never take me anywhere.
Whatever.
Movies, y'all.
We're going to see Beekeeper
Thank you,
with
Cody.
Jason Stamos.
Thank you,
Hey,
Cody.
my son suggested the movie, and I'm going, that's a good idea. I want to take her anyway.
No, that's the
whatever.
only reason we're going, because he suggested
Whatever.
to the movie.
All right, fam. All right, fam, we're going to go ahead and bring this one in for a landing, and we will catch y'all in the next video. Fam, if y'all enjoy this type of content and y'all enjoy these videos, y'all give your boy a thumbs up, y'all subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.